Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix generic webcam driver issues in Windows 11 Device Manager. So of course, in order to start, just open up your Start menu, type in Device Manager, and then just click on it. And this is going to be our little device canvas where we will work in this video. Okay, so firstly, the very important part is of course make sure to find on your in your actual computer a proper USB port. So you might want to use if you have, for example, a motherboard that has 3.0 or 3.2, maybe 3.4 version USB ports. I actually recommend not using those because those are high-speed ports that actually are also pushing in more current and more electricity through them. So if you're using something as simple as a webcam or a keyboard or a mouse, I recommend actually not using that unless you have a high polling ones, of course, then there's a reason to do that. So just find the USB ports that are safe so that you don't have any issues because, for example, as you can see, I have this Bluetooth adapter that I'm actually not using. And as you can see, it has this little yellow icon next to it. So that's exactly what we will try and fix in this video. So you can see this is pretty much signifying that this particular Bluetooth adapter is having issues. Right, so in our case, we will of course go into the cameras. As you can see, I also have a USB camera installed in my system. And the very first thing you want to do if you have any kind of issues, you just go ahead and right click and then just uninstall device. After you uninstall this device, unplug your camera physically, your wire out of your computer, and then plug it back in. If it gives you no error, that's fixed. It's a pretty easy fix. Also, guys, for some of you, you might need to reboot your system for this to work. So just do that. The second fix, also right click and update the driver. So just search automatically for drivers on the web, or if you have them in your system, you can also do this, browse my computer and update the drivers. Also go ahead and scan for hardware changes. This will actually also allow you to identify if there's any troubleshooting required. And after that, you should be good to go. Also, you might want to go into your settings, Bluetooth and devices, and then devices, and under USB webcam, just remove this device, plug it back in, and then you can try again and see if this will work. So these are the pretty much hardware and software fixes that I've got for you in this video, guys. If they helped you out, like and subscribe as always, and see you soon.